welcome back to the channel. I just arrived to Boost Factory. They have been very kind to let me use their space to build this car. For those of you who are new, I am in the middle of building my first ever drift car. So let's get out of the car and get started with the S13. We're gonna eat some food and then we're gonna get started. On today's list of to-dos, we are going to do a 5-lug swap off of the vert onto the coupe for better wheel options and for the bigger brakes so I can stop when I'm going into a wall, hopefully not. Going towards a wall. Huh?
We're not talking about no walls.
No.
No walls.
And then we're doing the front and rear subframes and the steering rack. Just because they're in better condition than the other car. So let's get started.
Do this. This. I'll do the brake line because it'll be hard. You're going to do that. We'll take the whole subframe off.
Wow, I really just got right into this video. Here I just began with disconnecting the front steering assembly components. I got really excited to work on the car, so I do apologize for not talking to the camera more in this vlog, but I plan to do better in the future vlogs. For now, editing Johanna will just have to keep you updated. And then it's going to stop.
Yeah.
Woo! Now what?
Okay, I'll do the same thing on that side. Actually, let me take the brake line apart. I'll just finish this one. Okay, now you can do sway bar. I think this should be a 214s.
That was way easier.
Yeah. Yeah, then you can do this one. Shit.
Yeah. Onto the other side.
Yeah, you gotta.
Because it pops through.
You gotta go like this.
Hold it with my finger?
Yeah, but also don't smash your finger.
Yeah. I won! That one, and then was it this one
Yep.
as well?
Yep.
If you're gonna do something, you have to tell the people.
I'm gonna go take the subframe out of the car outside so we can do a swap and save some time.
It's getting late. If you couldn't tell by my aggressive banging on that bolt, I was over it at this point, but we still had another like 2 hours to go. All done that part. Okay, now I'm going to take out the subframe here. I'm going to do this side, other side, how it goes. Hopefully. Okay, other side.
Was that on your toe? Was that on your toe?
Yeah.
Oh.
This is such a hazard.
Well,
This.
watch your face on it.
I already hit my head on it once.
You did?
Yeah.
Why did you hit your head on it?
I didn't see it.
Are you listening?
Was it all listening?
No, it's tight.
I must have hit it when I put it down.
Happens a lot.
Oh. Remind me, it's taking 10 years to take it off.
Proud of you, you're doing good.
What?
But I'm proud of you, you're doing good. Come on. Jack under it.
Woohoo! And then this is from the other car?
Other car, yeah.
The main car? Look at that. Okay, we got the subframe out, and now we are now we're doing the swap. So now we're putting them both back in the other cars, if you know what I mean. Same on the other side?
Yeah.
If I miss things, just know I am doing my best.
You're doing great.
You're doing great, sweetie. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Oh, that was dirty. Eee! Subframe is in.
Smells like shit out here, bro.
It's a lot later. We're continuing on. Oh my god.
You need to really, yeah, just make it, just so we're not dragging it on the ground. Yep. Okay, we'll go into that first. Yep. Put down a smidge. Goes fast. Okay. All the way. Go on.
Where is everything now? We're now onto the 5 lug on the main S13. Once we get this on, hopefully the rear end is going to be a lot faster because we've ran out of daylight and I want to go sleep.
Nothing's bent. Just nice and awkward. I'm probably gonna snap a finger off or something here.
Please don't.
This needs to be like over. Okay, I need you to pry this.
Okay.
Pull here. Okay, good leverage. Okay. Okay, push.
Why am I pushing with my left foot?
There we go. Good work.
Where am I lining it up to?
There's a stud right here. Inside the bracket.
Oh, right here. Okay.
Yeah. So you line that circle up.
Okay.
With me.
I need to go towards you.
Yeah. Slide the bushing towards me. Yeah. Let me know when you're lined up.
I think I'm lined up.
And then you gotta kind of pull it towards the front of the car and out.
Okay.
Good?
Yeah.
Nice.
Oh, my butt is not juicy enough for this rocky ground. Oh, was I sitting on a bolt? No wonder. Yeah, some positive camber. So Colton was just saying I need to get some lower control arms just because right now I got positive camber. We don't want that. We want all the negative camber. We're going like this, drifting.
Probably like 6 or 7 years. Am I in focus?
What'd you say?
I said engine and some spare SR parts, complete swap, next Wednesday.
Yay! Next Wednesday. Engine. And then the fun stuff starts.
It's October 2025.
We're gonna have an engine. front on car number 2 is done. Now onto the back with my candlelight. Look at this lighting. Oh, not the wheels. My nemesis. That was a lot faster.
Don't recommend using a torque wrench to loosen bolts, but it's what we got right now.
It is what it is.
Right.
One down.
Dead baby spiders right there.
Quick!
In the light.
There's a little cat that's with it, so watch that. Crack it up. Do you want to lower it more?
Do you want me to?
Yeah, it'll be fine. Okay.
Oh,
Okay, got it?
is that a good noise?
Yeah, put down.
It's out. This guy. He doesn't need my help. And that, fellas, is why you go to the gym. I thought I filmed it going down, but apparently I missed it. Taking out the arms right now because these ones are adjustable. We want this one, but this subframe's going in that car. But we want these. We're taking all our favorite pieces. At this point, we were so done with this. It had been probably about 5 or 6 hours. My camera had died and we were so freaking tired. This is what we got to work with.
Oh, the rear subframe's been lovely.
The rear subframe has been a really great time and I can't wait for this to be over. It is currently like midnight. Well, hopefully not much longer. Look at all those lugs. All 5 of them.
All 5 of them. All
Right.
that for one more.
Very nice. Time to ratchet strap the hood on and then done of this car for the night. Just gonna finish one more rear subframe and then we get to go home.
Yay.
Also, if you couldn't tell, the good camera died, so we're using just my iPhone. So there's not gonna be as much footage, but I'll check in. Last side, one lug,
One lug and
no
every wheel.
rotor.
One lug on every wheel. One lug to rule them all.
Oh.
Lord of the Rings, mate. One lug. You want to jack that up?
Sure can. Be quick.
Look at that rake.
Oh my god, not the. Oh.
Look at that rake.
The tire's so flat on this side.
Is it?
Yeah.
Tonight was a success. It took us a little bit longer than we were hoping, but yeah, everything is done and now we're on to the next portion. I'm not really sure what it's going to be yet, but stay tuned.
Started from nothing, we did it, we made it, we turned into something. I said what I be, but they ain't believe, they thought we was bluffing. You give what you give, I gave it my all, now we in a running. I did it, I did. I did it, I did.